So let's quickly look at how to embed your maps into a website. If that's your thing, you've got HTML, SMAD skills, and you can build websites. It's really pretty simple with Soar. So let's use this map that I pinned earlier, this Provincetown map that I made. I will click on that and I will hit the embed map button, and it gives me HTML code. I'm going to copy that code. It says it's now attached to my clipboard. Now I'm going to go to my drag and drop Weebly website, which is what I use for my main website, Scott Lucier Maps. So I'm just going to add a page, call it a standard page, keep it simple. And so now we have a place where I can build the website, and I'm going to drag in the embed code button. Imagine this, if you have Squarespace or Wix or something else, it's the same functionality of drag and drop, or even WordPress. Pretty easy to add a snippet of HTML code. Or if you're a web developer, this is going to be pretty easy. So, but I'm no web developer, and it's pretty easy for me. So once I have my custom code box in there, I hit the Edit Custom button and just paste it in. And there we go. So now we have Soar built into my website, right? A Soar link. So let's publish this and go to the live site and see what it looks like on the front end of it. So this is that new page that I had just built, this test, and this is the result of that cutting and pasting, right? So now we've got the full Soar globe in here. I can scroll in and out. And if I want to view the larger map directly into Soar.earth, it's going to take me to the Soar site and link me back to where I was. So anyone that doesn't have Soar, now will be into Soar, which is good. And then you can hit the Learn More button and get to Soar's blog post website. That will give you more information and more explanation. So, check that out. Pretty much walks through what I just told you, but gives you a little bit more. But I just wanted to give you a quick peek at that. If you're a web developer or, work on your own web page, pretty easy to just copy that HTML code in there. And again, another way to get your stuff out to the world.